Hello students. Now in this English class, today we'll read the third chapter of your English literature book. That is a very beautiful poem, A Child's Bedtime Song. Guys, this poem truly expresses how to raise a stable, independent and successful child. This poem is a lesson on parenting. This poem has been composed by Sir Dennis E. Whitley. And he is an American motivational speaker, writer, and consultant. He has been recognized as the best selling author of the audio series, The Psychology of Winning, and books such as Seeds of Greatness. Let's start the poem. Here, the poet is saying, if I had two wishes, I know what they would be. I would wish for roots to cling to and wings to set me free. Roots of inner values like rings within a tree, and wings of independence to seek my destiny. So, guys, here in this poem, I is the child, means the poet himself, and you are his parents. He wishes for roots and wings. Roots to cling means to hold on tightly to, and wings to set him free. Guys, a child who feels a deep sense of belonging to the family, he believes that nothing will disrupt this connection. Even if there are difficult times, the parents will stand by and try to help the child learn from adversity. So, roots of this depth allow for experiment. Roots allow for development of wings. Roots are the foundations. Roots of what? Roots of inner values like rings within a tree means inner values are deep within a human being and develop over the years like the growth rings on the bark of a tree. So he wants roots of inner values for strong foundation and wings to fly. Fly means here freedom to find his destiny himself. So he wants to feel to feel safe to explore the world around him. He is expecting from his parents that they would love him even when he does something wrong, and to teach him by examples and help him choose correctly. Means he wants that the parents should also be there for him. All right. So he is saying that roots to hold forever, to keep me safe and strong, to let me know you love me when I have done something wrong, to show me by example and help me learn to choose, to take those actions every day to win instead of lose. Okay, now see the third stanza. Just be there when I need you, to tell me it's all right, to face my fear of falling when I test my wings in flight. Don't make my life too easy. It's better if I try and fail and get back up myself so I can learn to fly. So, in the third stanza, he is saying that the parents should not pamper him by solving all the problems and getting them what they want. Rather, they should let the children learn the hard way. Means the poet wants his parents to help him face his fear of failing when he tries something for the first time. Here, learn to fly means to do things on one's own without constant parental supervision. Alright, because he believes that it is better to try, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes, not to repeat them. And that is the way to grow into mature adulthood. Now, see the last stanza. If I had two wishes and two were all I had, and they could just be granted by mom and dad, I wouldn't ask for money or any store bought things. The greatest gift I would ask for are simply roots and wings. In the last stanza, he is saying that he would not ask for money or any other sort of comfort. He would simply ask for roots and wings, because he is saying that you are giving me all the possible comforts, and the core values which you will give me will help me to treat success and failure with equal grace. The wings will help me to explore my choices independently and make my own decisions. All right guys, so this is the poem, A Child's Bedtime Song. I hope that this poem is clear to you all.